2930. Ooh. About there. Let's dig it. I tend to cut a 6 spade diameter plug because I find that the pinpointer in most detectors, but including the Nocta Legend I've got here, isn't very accurate. And things are always in the sidewall. So let's have a look here, shall we? Hopefully you can see that. Turn that up a bit. Don't know where it is, but it's big. Still in there. Oh, is it? Have I got it? Oh shit. That's not reassuring. Oh shit. Is that a... I can only hear one. The f is that? Okay, time to go. Stopped. I don't think they turn those off, do they? Shit. That scared the crap out of me. Well, I do not know what that was, and I hope to never hear it again. I've messaged a friend to see if they heard it, but yeah, there's going to be a lot of editing on this video because there's a lot of swearing just then.